Hello everyone, welcome back to Teacher Joe's video and welcome to my art and craft class. And today we're going to make a bird puppet. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here are the materials that we need to make an owl puppet. Alright, let's start. We need scissors, a glue, and this one is for the beak, for the cheek, for the eyes, and for the wings, and for the body. And this is for the head. Alright, this is a pencil to draw. Let's start. Now you can cut the wings. Now you can start cutting the red circles for the cheeks. And now let's cut the picture for the eyes. Now, let's fold the white buffalo paper and we are going to paste it on the head like this, behind the head, and connect it to the body. Now it's time to paste all the body parts to the body of the bird. Draw 2 circles on its beak. Alright, very good. Alright everyone, that's all our artwork for today. And you can also play with the head like this. Okay, I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye!